band first started when we had to form a group for the Whangaroa Talent Factory in 2022. And so Wairiki, Travis, Lily and I created the song Misery, our first original that we recorded, is now on Spotify, and also has a music video on YouTube.
My misery, it doesn't have to be what is not mine. We only have to breathe. Stop justifying misery.
The opportunities we've been given in Raglan Prime Music is after the Whangaroa Talent Factory. Nico Tahuki recorded our song Misery, and we also got to play at Soundsplash, and we had heaps of gigs in Raglan, local ones. We play at the Yard, we play at the Yacht Club, and we played at the Raglan Circo, and at like friends' parties. So yeah, we've got a good community for our music scene.
I'll just be playing around on the guitar until I find something that a riff or a melody that sounds cool, and I'll start building the song structure around there. So mainly riffs for verses and open chords for choruses, and then I'll show my ideas to Josh, and he ends up writing most of the lyrics, which I help create melody for. And together that just builds a song.
With some gnarly breakdowns.
This is what you created.
Center Stage, along with kind of most of our other songs, follows like a theme or like a storyline of someone who's lost their way, doing something. It's a fictional story about a character who strives to kind of be the center of everyone's world. He wants that spotlight and to be recognized by everyone. And he finally gets that, but it doesn't bring him any peace or satisfaction in life, and he ends up just being worse off because
Pushing others away, pushing his close ones and loved ones away.
I'm where I'm meant to be. My name on a gold display. The spotlight dances on me. My boss locks me away. Fade away behind your unknown face. Circle and the drain. On the center stage. Take me to my haven. Path without a memory. As the sun is buried.
I can't like talk to anyone else really like for like 3 hours just so before the gig, like I just like try not to, like I just have to like find like that like frequency that I've got to like climb to just like absolutely like unleash it,
Yeah, and we always spend like the hours leading up to the gig as a band hyping each other up, and then just getting into like our element or character that
Yeah,
we're.
you can't be distracted.
I think that's what make our live performances so good together, is that we like are so comfortable with each other. We get to like really build connection, because we're such good friends outside of the band as well. It just elevates the performance because we're all really in sync with one another.
We play at a festival called Earthbeat we've been playing there every year since 2023, and we've helped design this youth space, and we end up playing there amongst other bands, and it's always a hit. Like everyone's always getting amongst it and headbanging and going hard in the youth space, and it's awesome.
Trapped in a prison away from your wall. Left there lying on broken glass. Falling so this out.